Searching for that just right spot overseas, a good value place to escape full time, a getaway you can enjoy a few months a year for an endless summer lifestyle, a lock and leave place at the beach or in a historic city that you could rent out when you're not there. The world is full of opportunity, full of beautiful spots where you could live better and spend less. In the best value places, a couple can live comfortably for $1,650 a month or even less, rent included. On a budget of $2,500 to $3,600 a month, you and your spouse could live like royalty. International Living's annual Global Retirement Index is designed to help you find the place that's just right for you. Whether you're ready to retire now or you want to put a solid plan in place for the future, inside the Global Retirement Index, our experts compare, contrast, rank, and rate the 25 best retirement destinations in the world by category. Climate, housing, benefits, cost of living, fitting in, visas, and more. We help you see how these countries stack up against each other. With IL's Global Retirement Index in hand and your priorities, preferences, and budget in mind, you can begin to narrow your options and focus your attention on the places that would make the most sense to you. Nothing else like IL's Global Retirement Index exists. In an era when most media outlets have slashed their budgets and cut their overseas bureaus, we put our Global Retirement Index together the old-fashioned way. That is to say, we put boots on the ground, just as we have each of the more than 30 years we've published this in-depth country comparison. We keep a network of correspondents and contributors in place around the planet, reporting back with real-world, up-to-date recommendations and guidance. Is Global Retirement Index subjective? You bet. By design. We rely on facts and figures, of course, but that'll only get you so far, because statistics about an entire nation don't tell the whole story when it comes to the specific places we recommend. And that's why we rely on the informed judgment and real-world experience of in-country expats, folks who've made the move and learned all their lessons the hard way. They live in the countries they're an expert in. They're thoughtful guides to the places we believe most deserve your attention today. And their insights about the expat experience provide useful nuance and guidance as we craft our index every year. No one-size-fits-all destination exists, and where you end up is as much about feeling as it is thought. When it comes right down to it, only you can decide what will make you happy. But we can point you to the places that are likely to suit you best and be easiest on your wallet too. Our Global Retirement Index lists the best places in the world to retire overseas today. It'll point you to the places most worth your attention and, most importantly, save you the trouble, time, frustration, and expense of trying to figure that out on your own. Who tops the index this year? Click to find out.